Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I'm moving a lot of stuff around, and somehow I'm gonna have to find a way to move this tractor. I want to be able to get the John Deere back in here, so there's definitely gonna be a lot of moving around this morning, and that includes the cars. You know, I have my buddy is deployed right now. I have his Miata. I have to move the BMW, the truck, and the quads, motorcycles, mopeds, everything. So, be a little bit of a project, but I already started a little bit. Man, the lens is dirty. I'm seeing that now. Hold on, YouTube. I'll probably forget to edit this out. Let them clean it. Alright, let me get my actual cleaner. There's very few things that bugs me, but the dirty lens is definitely one of them. Let's see. Where should be. Oh, found it. We're also going to work on getting the Harley going today, but I'm probably going to make individual videos of each thing. There we go. That should be clearer. Wow, that's a bit of a difference. So, but yeah, I'm going to start up the BMW next, and like I said, we got to move all this stuff around. I got to do an oil change, air filter change, fuel filter change on the truck. I have brand new tires and rims, like I said, for the BMW. I'm also going to put a new battery in this so that you guys can see how many miles are on my truck and stuff like that, and we'll go from there. Alright YouTube, stay tuned. It's going to be a busy week. For me, just a day, but for you guys, probably a week. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here again. So, I don't even know where I'm going to start first. I just got so many things I got to do today. I'm also using only my GoPro right now because I don't want to annoy my neighbors. But here's the shot. My truck actually started rolling away because the parking brake doesn't work yet. And I was like, oh, okay, that's nice. That would have been great if it would have rolled into the street. Honestly, I would have probably started crying, not even gonna lie. But got the BMW out, so let's take a look at the rims that I just picked up. I paid $800, brand new tires and rims. The guy can't use them on his car, so I think it'll be in pretty good use for me. And we got some other stuff we gotta move, quads included. Not sure if I want to move this one though. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm probably gonna leave this one. How do I want to do this? I don't even know. We'll find a way, YouTube. I'm probably gonna get you guys on a tripod in a minute. Just warming up my truck so I can turn it around, give it a how you doing, and we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned, YouTube.
Everywhere that I go, everything that I do, I will always be around. I'll always be around. Always be around. Always be around. Everywhere that I go, everything that I do, I will always be around. I will always be around. Always be around. Always be around. Everywhere that I go, everything that I do, I will always be around.
Let me see you be you pop that.
All right, YouTube, what do you guys think? I think we got to get some new. I hate that dent so much. I mean, that's got a pretty nice stance to it now, and it only kicked it out 15 millimeters. So in reality, the tire, I believe itself is smaller, but the with the spacer, it's actually sticking out a little more than usual. And I just think that looks perfect. I don't think the camera's gonna get it too well, but just a little bit. Oh man, that's nice. Now my question for you guys is, should I put the BMW stock caps on, or should I put the Ruff ones? I think the Ruff, only because I'm going for that all black look on this. And even the BMW logo, I'm most likely gonna see if I can replace that with a black and white logo, because I think that would look cool. Hopefully I remember to block out my license plate, but yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Black on black. And I do have the M3 fenders now, so this will be fixed very soon. It's actually funny because the fender that I'm replacing it with seems a lot stronger than this. And the hood is the only other thing I gotta fix, because it didn't really get this at all. And the bumper, I feel like a little bit of touching up should be able to fix, but I'll see what the repair guys say. This is something that I don't even want to attempt to do, because I want to have that precise BMW metallic black. So I don't know what you guys think. I'm gonna go for a drive in it and then retorque the wheels, and maybe in a few days I'll give a review on them. So, all right, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters signing out. What do you guys think? build's going to be coming along pretty well. Stay tuned for more. For now, Diesel Dan Peters, signing out. Well, YouTube, I mean, it wouldn't be an end of a video if I didn't show you that I also got these. Nothing crazy, but some nice black steel caps. So, I'll show you one, and then I'll show you the finished product. Oh, that was the other thing. I wanted to see if this is correct tire pressure. 32.5, yeah, that's right there. All right, perfect. All right, let's put these on. Oh yeah. This is what this needed. It's the little things. Always remember that, YouTube. It's the little things that really make or break. It's hard to see it, but man, that looks so good. Black steel caps. And I did end up going with the Ruff center caps. The other thing I will be doing is retorquing all the lug bolts just to make sure everything stayed at spec. Alright, YouTube, that's it. Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.